we now have access to GPT Search. It's OpenAI's model of Perplexity. And if you've never used Perplexity before, it's AI built into a Google search pretty much. So let's have a quick look at what it offers. It provides web search, which will allow real-time data, which is really beneficial because in the past, it could only leverage data up until the date that it was trained on. Now, how do you enable it? You enable it simply by clicking that search button, and you do need to click that search to enable it. Otherwise, it will just operate like normal ChatGPT. Let's see a couple of options that it suggests. Whether I don't know why they provide things like this where I'm really going to use an app or honestly probably Google to find this, even like Google Maps. I doubt I'm going to come to ChatGPT search to find information about the weather. Anyway, that's some of the suggestions that they provide. But you know what I really like to use it for is to get research and then formulate it into a specific format. So let's look at an example. I've got search for the top 5 CRMs for a small nonprofit and output the results in a table with features, price, and website. So I do need to enable the search the web and then click on go. And we can see that it is searching the web. We've now got Bloomerang, which is very popular, light green light, again, Neon CRM, Kindful, I've actually never heard of that, which is interesting, and Civi CRM. Now, you will see that we've got this option to see the sources. Now, this is where it actually got this information from. A few interesting ones there. Now, let's try the same thing in Perplexity, because I'm going to be honest, I still prefer Perplexity for this type of work. I just think that this is specifically what it's designed for. It's this AI-enabled search, and I've just found that it produces better results. There is a free plan. You get a lot of value from it. So ChatGPT search is useful, especially if you're in that interface and you do need to pull in some live data. But I think for something that needs a bit more depth, Perplexity can do a better job. It's taking its time here, but let's see. All right, so we've got Neon CRM, which is similar to what ChatGPT, Bloomerang, Light Green, and here we got Bonterra and Sumac. So Bonterra I know about, Sumac I don't. So interesting. Again, we can actually see where the sources are from in this. We've got some follow-up questions, and what I do like about this as well is that you can select your specific model. So if you are on the paid plan, you can choose to use Anthropic's Claude instead of OpenAI's GPT-4o. So I still think that it is of value and it is of use. And I always refer back to a quote, which I speak about in all of my presentations. And that is, this is the worst that this technology will ever be. So while I don't think that it's anything revolutionary, I think as time goes on and we integrate more of these solutions into a central interface, I think it will provide value. So for now, it's something that is available. It's definitely worth trying and using, but only time will tell how that changes our Google habits. As always, if you've got any questions, please feel free to let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.